At last, I finally replaced my builder grade shower head. I love it so far. I definitely wanted an extended hose so that I can use. But one of the things that I don't like is the drippage afterwards. But I still love how it sprays out. It's actually much more forceful than the original one. So I'm just gonna turn it on. And this is actually coming from the shower head and the middle attachment. You can change how you want to adjust it, or you just want the centerpiece, or you want the outer. So I have it so that it's going out of both. Absolutely love it. I just had it under a week, so hopefully this will hold up. Comes with the Teflon tape, all the parts and attachments that you need. Definitely recommend it. Obviously, I'm not going in on the other side because it's running. And it stretches down. Now, the only thing is I need to get a new shower caddy that will fit this piece in, because the other one is just gonna overlap it like that, and aesthetically and usability, that's not gonna work. Only way for me to use the middle part with it being together is if it's halfway. I do not like this because it's not pressure. It is like rainfall. And then if I do this one with the high pressure, the high pressures are small. All high pressures are small. These are high pressure. The ones at the end are the high pressure. The one that hits all over is like a rainfall. It's like a rainfall. I do not like it. Supposed to be in the middle. Drips inside. And then the middle drips when it's only to the other sides. Works good.
Might have been right with his theory that like
this bag is sealed. I have not opened it yet, and it's just the headpiece. The rest is just cord, and it shows in the picture it's supposed to have this. So where is it? It's not in here.
And according to Richard, Kenneth didn't even